Can you believe this? The model standing right here, she isn't even real. And the girl reviewing this product, yep, she's 100% AI generated too. But here's the crazy part. These characters are racking up millions of followers on Instagram and landing massive, high-paying brand deals. The era of virtual influencers is officially here. Hello everyone, I'm Sotai, welcome back to my channel. As you saw in the intro, right now there are tons of AI-generated influencers out there, and honestly, audiences are embracing them just as warmly as real people. And those brand deals bringing in thousands of dollars for the creators behind these influencers. That is absolutely real. And if you want to create an influencer for yourself, to start building your very own content empire, then today's video is definitely for you. Higgsfield just dropped a new tool called AI Influencer Studio. It's a place where you can easily create your own idols, controlling everything you want from gender and race to eye color, or even every single freckle on their skin. And most importantly, everything is consistent and unbelievably realistic. Sounds amazing, right? So today, I'm going to give you a detailed review of this tool and walk you through exactly how I use it to build my own realistic virtual idol. All right, enough talking. Smash that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get straight into it. First things first, head over to the link I've put down in the description or just search for Higgsfield AI. If you look up at the menu bar, you'll see Higgsfield isn't just a one-trick pony. It's an entire Gen AI ecosystem from image generation with Nano Banana Pro to video creation, editing, and the star of today's show, AI influencer. Now, why am I so hyped about this feature? Because it solves the single biggest headache for anonymous content creators. Character consistency. Back in the day with Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, trying to get the exact same face across 10 different shots was absolute torture. But with Higgsfield, you create an identity once and you own it forever. Over on the left, as you can see, we can either use pre-made characters or create a fresh one from scratch. We've got two modes here, builder mode, visual building, and prompt mode using commands. For those of you just starting out, I highly recommend sticking with builder mode. It's basically like character customization in a video game, super visual and intuitive. All right, let's get to work. Step 1, choose your character type. We've got everything here from real humans, elves, to even aliens. But since we're trying to build a money-making KOL here, I'm going to select human to keep it realistic. For gender, I'm going with female. Here comes the fun part, ethnicity. You're not limited to just one type. Higgsfield actually lets you mix heritages. For example, you can blend European features with a touch of Middle Eastern influence, just by selecting it like this. This ensures your character is truly one of a kind and doesn't look generic. Next up is skin tone and eye color. I'm going to go for a unique mix of fair and tan skin paired with blue eyes. Oh, and to really boost the realism, look down at the skin condition section. You can add freckles, moles, or even small scars. It's these little imperfections that actually make the AI look human. For this demo, I'm going to skip it to keep things moving, but definitely give it a try if you want. I'll set the age to adult, and you can dive even deeper by toggling on advanced settings right here. This section lets you fine-tune specific body parts and overall style. I'm going to add long hair here and throw in some tattoos to give the character some edge. And of course, I'm selecting hyper-realistic right here to make sure she looks as authentic as possible. One awesome thing is that right now, as I'm releasing this video, you guys can actually generate a test for free to see the results. So let's hit generate and wait for the magic to happen. Okay, and super fast, we've got our results right here. Look at the skin texture, the eyes, the facial structure. This is absolutely top tier. If you're not 100% happy with it, you can just hit regenerate or tweak the settings. For example, when I hit regenerate, I get a fresh result popping up right at the top. I actually think this new result looks even more realistic than the previous version. If you're still not convinced, you can keep hitting regenerate, but for me, this virtual girl is definitely ready to make her debut. But we're not done yet. Let's say you want her to wear something else. Forget Photoshop. Right here, just type into the prompt box, for example, wearing a sporty outfit. Boom. As you can see, the tool preserves the face perfectly and only changes the outfit. This is exactly that consistent character advantage I mentioned earlier. Thanks to this, you have the key to building a channel. One character, 1,000 styles. Once you've nailed down a character template you're happy with, make sure to save it so you can use it for your next steps. All right, so now we have our very own AI idol. Let's call her Lennox. But for Lennox to become a real influencer, she needs to live. She needs to go grab coffee, she needs to work, she needs to interact so the audience genuinely believes she exists. Higgsfield has actually consolidated all the tools you need to make that happen easily right inside a single interface. Take a look at this, edit in Nano Banana Pro. If you guys remember my previous review of Nano Banana Pro, you know this is the heavy artillery when it comes to maintaining maximum character consistency. Let's say this morning I want Lennox to check in at a fancy coffee shop. I just import Lennox's image, type in a simple prompt like you see here, and click generate. And here is the result. Look at that. The natural lighting, the skin texture, the hair, is completely photorealistic. If you were scrolling through Instagram and saw this photo, I bet 99% of you would double tap without ever realizing it's an AI product. Now, let's take it up a notch with a sponsorship example. I'm going to raise the difficulty level to the next stage, product review. Let's say I have this perfume bottle from the brand Sautai. I'm going to upload the product image and combine it with our character Lennox. The prompt is simple, as shown on the screen. And the result, as you can see, is incredibly impressive. Not only are Lennox's features perfectly preserved, but more importantly, so is the product. The perfume bottle isn't warped, and the Sautai logo is still crystal clear. This is the real money maker right here. Brands are absolutely terrified of AI distorting their products, but with this tool, the integrity of both the character and the product is fully preserved. Thanks to this workflow, you don't need to rent a studio, you don't need a makeup artist, you can produce hundreds, even thousands of lifestyle photos and product reviews in every style imaginable every single day. This is hands down the fastest, most cost-effective way to build your presence and attract a massive fan base with ease. You've got great photos, but for TikTok or Reels, static images just aren't enough. We need video. And this is where Higgsfield unleashes its most terrifying power. Motion control. Click right here and it opens up a library of motion templates, the viral motion library. It's got everything, trending dances, talking expressions, even catwalk struts. You just need to pick a template that's already there. Or if you want to take it to the God tier level, you can film yourself doing an action and upload it right here. The AI will mimic your exact movements and apply them to that virtual character. I'm going to try picking this trending dance right here. Let's set the quality to 1080p so it's razor sharp. Hit generate and let's wait. Done. Guys, look closely at this. The movement is incredibly smooth. Hand gestures, hair movement, and clothing physics are all handled really well by the tool, and most importantly, the face. It keeps the original character's features perfectly intact. Not only are there no glitches, but the tool actually generates expressions that match the music perfectly. The quality is honestly mind-blowing. With results like this, I bet viewers scrolling past would think this is 100% a real person. It's genuinely hard to tell that this is a character I just created with an AI tool 5 minutes ago. And just imagine with an instant noodle workflow that delivers 5-star quality like this, pumping out 10 videos a day is totally normal. You see a hot music trend in the morning? By the afternoon, your idol is already hopping on that trend. This is the key to keeping up with the daily TikTok algorithm updates without wasting any effort on setting up a film shoot. Okay, so far, I've been talking about building a channel for bookings or affiliate marketing. That's the long game. But if you guys want some cold hard cash right now, Higgsfield actually has a super sweet program for creators. It's called Higgsfield Earn. The mechanism is super simple. You join the program, use the tool to create high quality virtual idols, and then create content tutorials or showcases demonstrating their killer features. If your content is good, you get paid directly by the platform. And this isn't just pie in the sky. As you can see right here, tons of creators in the community have already made anywhere from a few hundred to $1,000 after just a short time messing around with this tool. I've left the registration link for this program right down in the description. Click it and sign up now before the slots fill up. To wrap things up, Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio isn't just an image generation tool, it's a complete ecosystem for you to kickstart your virtual influencer career today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have any questions or want to show off the idol you just created, comment down below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next top-tier money-making AI tools. I'm Sotai, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.